Welcome to the Southbank Food Market in London, a place of music, laughter, and some amazing street food experiences. We're here to explore the best this city has to offer, as we speak with vendors and customers to get the inside scoop on the beloved street food of London. Come with us and discover what's cooking on the streets of London.
Hello, my name is Zulf. Yeah, we started about 12 years ago, and we started because I love eating. As you might be able to tell, yeah, I love to eat, I love food, and I love Pakistani food. And yeah, we started that long ago. Yeah, so we use traditional Pakistani recipes. They've been in the family, me and my wife's family for some time. And then we kind of added some British elements in there, some fresh salads, some fresh sauces, and you have this, yeah, we kind of do naan wraps, that's our specialist thing, so we do naan wraps, but yeah, that's what we do. Yeah, so all our food we make from scratch, using whole ingredients. Where we can, we source all our ingredients locally. It's all homemade, and that's what makes us different to other places here. I would say the pakoras are our vegetarian option, and it's a recipe that's actually my wife's. It has a special place because she used to give it to her grandmother, and she absolutely loved it. And she always had a vision of my wife making pakoras for people. And here we are in London making pakoras for people all around the world. These are the pakoras. We use spinach, aubergine, potatoes, onions. It's in a chickpea batter. So you get it like this, and we just put it in the fryer. We're just going to flip these till they're kind of golden colour. So these are almost there. These are pretty much there. There we go, and they're ready to go. So in London, the street food changes. In 12 years I've been doing it, it's changed a lot. There's a lot of artisan products you can get now, so it's a very high standard you see in street food. When I started, it was very much kind of standard burgers, standard hot dogs, and at that time, yeah, it was just things were changing. People in London, the palates have changed a lot. They're demanding a lot more quality, a lot more freshness in the food. So it's changed a lot. I mean, COVID was a big kind of blip in the system, and a lot of people went under because of that. But those that survived, they're going strong now.
Yellow. the Pancho Chicory. I work here in the market every weekend. I've worked here since 2014, and I quite like working here quite a bit. The one that sells the most, perhaps, not every day, but is the medium Caribbean curry. That's the first one you see there. But it depends what day. Sometimes it's a mild day in the market. Sometimes it's a spicy day. But that's probably our best seller. It's a medium, it's more things to like. Well, after COVID, there was no people, so it was like a zombie town. And slowly it's been getting back.
We've got 3 chicken curries, medium mark spicy.
Back in the day, we used to get more people, but less people in offices. Friday used to be our office day. Saturday was tourists. Sunday was families. Pre-pandemic, that was a pretty regular thing. Now it's a bit more kind of chopped up. It's getting back there, but it's a more choppy now.
Right.
Yep. So I'm Alejandra. I'm from Venezuela, from Caracas, the capital. This is my sister's and my brother-in-law business. It's a Venezuelan traditional food. Right now we're cooking arepas and also the traditional dish that is the pabellon. All the recipes are from my mom, so it's like really traditional for us. My favorite dish from here is the rice with the beef, black beans, plantain, avocado. Also come with the pico de gallo, that is tomato salad, and the cornbread. Everything is gluten-free, so that's really nice. Also, it's really healthy as well. We also start with the sweet potato fries that the people really like. They are really good, also gluten-free as well. So yeah, so basically in the street food you can find a lot of food, really good food, but you don't find that home food. This food tastes like your mom cooked it for you. So I think that's the thing that makes us unique and really nice.
Serious pressure now. Did you want chimichurri sauce on top of that?
Just garlic sauce.
Just the mayo?
Yeah.
Yeah, help yourself on that.
Would you be happy with the girls? Away hell of much. Yeah, that's like you're closest to both. Well, the one's great. I think the other one.
Yeah. So no chimichurri, right?
Just mayo, yeah.
Help yourself with the mayonnaise.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so we just get the Philly cheesesteak from this grilled cheese place. It was actually a pretty good price, and it's really good. It's really good. We got the cannolis earlier too. Pretty good price, pretty good.
Really good.
Some of the other food's been a little bit more expensive, a little bit too expensive, but overall it's been really tasty. I don't know, it's cool to see everything. We're only here studying, so we try to like try different foods, but to save money we eat a lot. So I don't know, more or less. We probably eat out more than the average person. But I don't know. We've only been here for a couple months, so it's always been expensive. All we know is expensive. Yeah.
I'm Charlie Fuller. I'm from Australia. We moved over 3 weeks ago. We just came to do a bit of study over at the other bar, and we just decided to come get some bao buns and pad thai.
And is this your first experience with London street food?
Yes, yeah, it is. I really enjoyed Thai back at home, and this it's good quality stuff along here. The bao buns were very fluffy. This one, I think I've had experiences with it before, and it's nice to like compare what the street food's like from back where I'm from and what I've experienced. So I've been to Thailand, had some pad thai over there, so it's actually very nice. More so than I usually, yes, I do eat out back at home. I do enjoy going to a few restaurants and stuff. Less street food, more restaurants. But if I see something that looks interesting, I usually go over to it. There's a lot less of it over in Australia compared to here, so the quality isn't that great. It's usually just like the markets and stuff inside, like ours is a cultural thing that you go to. You normally go into like cafes and into restaurants and stuff. So it's good. It's cool to see like little market pop-ups and stuff. And the street food's really nice here compared over there. The prices, well, I think that this is what running us 17 AUD, so it's like £9.80 here, which is it's expensive, but affordable. For a treat, basically, for a treat.
So my name is Stefan. I came from Paris, but I'm from the Caribbean. I'm from an island called Guadeloupe, and so I think that here in London there is a lot of choice, like from all countries, and I think that's a really cool thing. And so far I enjoy it. I discovered that little market just like 5 minutes ago, so I'm really happy to do that. And I really enjoy street food. That's maybe one of my favorite things. Like to be able to pick like some little things. It's not that expensive and usually it's really good. Right now I'm going to try this, those are bao, and it's vegan, there's vegan choice. I'm not vegan, but I basically don't eat meat. And I think that here there is a lot of choice here in London. So I'm really happy about that. It's not that expensive. It's not that expensive because I'm like on a tour. Like for every day, maybe for snack it will be a bit pricey. But right now, like as a tourist, I would say, I think it's quite fair. Yeah.
Oh, the street food's so good, man. The curry I had over there, gorgeous. It was like £9, really nice, like quite spicy Jamaican curry, really nice, like full to the brim as well. So I love a curry, really love Indian food. So as soon as I saw it, I jumped straight at it. I think you get what you pay for. It is on the costlier side, but you're definitely getting a sense of quality. Like definitely what you pay for is what you receive. And, you know, I'm not mad at it. I live only in Essex, so it's quite easy to get it. So I do come to stuff like this quite a lot. Whenever I'm up here in London, really, I go to